Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be back here.
Yes, it's wonderful to see you, Alex. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I feel very professional today.
Professional? Why do you feel professional?
I am thinking about work, about big meetings, international meetings.
Ah, yes, like a conference.
Exactly, a conference where people from many countries come together.
That sounds exciting. So many new people.
It is exciting and a little scary, Emily,
Scary? Why?
because everyone speaks English. It is the international language.
Yes, that's true. At a conference, English is the language for everyone. And maybe you feel shy. Your English is A1. You're nervous.
Ah, Emily, that is a perfect topic for today.
Really?
Yes, our topic is how to use English at an international conference and feel confident.
Wow, I need this.
I think many listeners will like this topic. It is very useful.
Okay, I am ready to learn.
Me too. Oh, but wait. Before we start our tips, we want to say hello to everyone listening.
Yes, welcome. We are so happy you are here.
If you like our podcast, please take 1 second and click the like button.
Yes, a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to Mr. English channel. It helps us make more podcasts for you.
And if you have a friend who is learning English, please share this with them.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, Alex, you are at the conference. You are very nervous. Help!
Do not worry, Emily. My first tip is be prepared.
Be prepared. Prepared for what?
Prepare your introduction.
My introduction?
Yes, at a conference, you will say this many times.
Oh, that's true.
So, you should practice at home, in the mirror.
In the mirror. Okay, what do I practice?
Your 3 important sentences.
3 sentences. Okay.
Number 1, hello, my name is.
Hello, my name is Emily. Easy.
Number 2, I am from.
I am from Brazil.
Good. Number 3, I am a job or I work for.
Ah, I am a podcast host.
Yes, or maybe I am a student or I am an engineer.
Okay, let me try. Hello, my name is Emily. I am from Brazil. I am a podcast host.
Perfect. It sounds so good.
Wow, I feel more confident already.
You see, when you practice, you are not nervous. The words are ready.
That is a very smart first tip. Prepare my introduction. Okay, so you are at the conference. You are walking around. There are many people.
Yes, and they are all talking. I am shy. I just stand near the food table.
The food table is a good place. It's true. But you want to talk to people. How do you start?
I have a secret tool for you, Emily.
Ooh, a secret tool. What is it?
Look at their shirt.
Their shirt?
Yes, everyone at a conference has a name badge.
Ah, the badge. Yes, with my name, Emily, and my country, India.
Exactly. The name badge is your best friend.
How?
You can look at their badge. It is okay. Everyone does this.
So I read their name, Maria.
Yes. So you don't just say hello, you say, hello, Maria.
Yes, people love to hear their name. It is very friendly.
And the badge has more information.
It does. It has the company name or the country.
Yes, so you see Maria is from Spain.
Oh, so I can say, oh, Spain. Very nice. I am from Brazil.
Exactly. See, you are talking.
I am talking. The badge is a tool. It gives you the first questions. Okay, so you used the badge. You said hello to Maria. Now what do you talk about?
Uh-oh. It is easy. This is called small talk.
Small talk. I like that. Small, not big and scary.
Yes, small, easy topics.
What is a good, safe topic at a conference?
The conference.
Good job, Alex. Yes, the conference. I can ask, are you enjoying the conference?
Perfect question. Are you enjoying the conference?
And Maria says, yes, I am.
Yes, and then you can ask, what was your favorite talk? Your favorite presentation?
Oh, yes. Did you see the talk about money?
Yes, I did. It was very good. See, you are talking about the conference. This is easy.
What other small talk is good?
You can talk about the food.
Always. The coffee here is very good.
Yes, it is. Or the lunch was very nice. Or, ooh, this room is cold. cold.
Yes, conference rooms are always so cold.
So, safe topics are the conference, the talks, the food, the weather.
Yes, very good. Don't talk about politics.
No politics, just easy, friendly talk.
Okay, so you are good at small talk, but now you are in a big room.
Okay, I am sitting, you are listening to a presentation, a talk.
Yes, the speaker is very smart.
The speaker finishes and they say, are there any questions?
Uh-oh, and you have a question, but you are scared.
Yes, I am scared. My grammar, my pronunciation.
Alex, it is okay. Remember our rule.
What rule?
Communication, not perfection.
Ah, yes, communication, not perfection. I like that rule.
Your question is important. The speaker wants questions.
So what do I do?
You raise your hand,
Okay.
and the speaker says yes, and you stand up.
Ooh, I must stand up?
It is polite. Yes, stand up. And first, what do you say?
My question is, wait, first be polite.
Oh, hello.
Yes, hello, and thank you for your talk.
Thank you for your talk. Oh, that is very nice.
Yes, always be polite. Thanks, that was very interesting.
Okay, hello. Thank you for your talk. And my question is,
My question is, what do you think about topic?
perfect. And your question can be very simple.
What if I did not understand something?
That is a great question to ask.
Really?
Yes, you can say, I'm sorry. Can you repeat the last part?
Can you repeat that, please?
Yes. Or can you explain the word budget?
It is okay to ask that.
Of course. It shows you're listening. It's a good question.
Wow, I thought I must be perfect.
No, just be polite and clear. Thank you. My question is, I can remember that. That is very helpful.
Okay, so you asked your question, you had small talk with Maria, the conference is finishing.
Yes, and I am talking to Maria again, but I need to go.
Ah, yes, how to end a conversation.
Yes, I don't want to be rude. I can't just walk away.
No, please don't. This is the time for business cards.
Ah, yes, my card with my name and my email.
Yes. So the conversation is good. You can say, "Well, Maria, it was very nice to meet you.
It was very nice to meet you. Here is my business card.
Here is my card." And I give it to her.
Yes. And then what do you do?
Wait.
You can ask, can I have your card, please?
Can I have your card, please? Ooh, polite.
Yes. So she gives you her card. Now, very important,
What?
don't just put the card in your pocket.
Oh no, I do that. It is a little rude.
Oh no, it's okay. A better way is look at the card.
Look at it.
Yes, read her name, read her company.
Ah, Maria. Company name. Thank you.
Wow, that shows respect. It shows you are interested. Look at the card for 2 seconds, then you put it in your pocket.
I will always do that now. Look at the card. Thank you, Emily.
You're welcome. And now you can leave.
How? You say, "It was great talking to you. I'm going to get some coffee now."
Ah, a polite excuse.
Yes, or "I need to make a phone call. I'm going to the next presentation."
Perfect. Enjoy the rest of the conference.
Enjoy the rest of the conference, and you smile and you walk away.
Wow, I am a professional networker.
You are. Emily, I have one more worry.
Okay, what is it?
At a conference, people are from many